Today, Captain Vijaykanth ji condolence day, death anniversary. Behalf of Congress Party, we are giving the wreath and a prayer meeting we participated. So it's the greatest hero, the Tamil Nadu. Vijaykanth ji love and affection with the Tamil Nadu people. That's why we are praising about him. This is a BJP model government in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, everywhere. They're doing like this only. Victims cannot get the relief, justice. Accused will get the relief, justice. This is the BJP formula.
So for a corruption-free government, BJP is calling TMDK for alliance. These are the questions.
That is the party supreme will decide. We can't say anything. What I said about the captain love the minority people, Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Sikhs, Parsis. He is hero for the hall, leader for the hall. He is not for the specifically this community, that community. He is leader for all, hero for all. That's why I told about the good character of our Vijaykanth ji.
Shall we call DMDK to India alliance?
That is, Stalin ji will decide.